Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing a wig that's supposed to come pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and showing you how to make it look like it's your natural hair. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. HD wig cap, 22-inch kinky curly. Here's how the hair looks. 200% density. One comb in the middle. With an elastic band to wear it glueless. It's a 4x4. As you can see, it's bleached. No smells. But so far the density is correct. How the hairline looks, it needs to be plucked a little bit more to my liking. I'm going to part out this section right here very skinny and then pull out the hair so it can create a new hairline, and so far it looks way more natural as you can see. But I'm going to take a spray bottle with water, spray the hair, push everything going to the back, and I do this super easy because it's super easy for me to pluck. And now I'm parting the hair out, and I'm going to take my tweezers and start to pluck in a different spot each time, but make sure this hair is thin. As y'all can see, it's giving more scalp and natural looking. That's what you want. Now I'm going to put the wig on to adjust it to my head. Push all the hairs going to the back this way so you can focus on the lace. Let's take this overboard now. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and start to slick everything going to the back this way, so it can look way nicer and flatter. Look how sleek this looks. One side is sleek and one side is not sleek yet. So keep using the wax stick, y'all. It gets rid of flyaways too. Ruby Kisses foundation level 12, and then I'm gonna take my small makeup brush and dab it onto the palette, and then start to add it on my lace. And as you can see, one side is giving scalp and the other side is white. You don't want it to be white, you want it to look like your skin. I want a C part, so I'm going to start to curve my comb in the direction, and then I'm going to fix everything and make it together, because right now this part is not giving at all. Right here I'm going to comb everything going upward so I can see how my parting looks, because right now it's a mess. Now that you see the C part, I'm just going to clean it up very little, and then I'm going to take my wax stick so it can lay down flat. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and hot comb this super flat so your wig can lay down flat. Cause right now it's giving Humpty Dumpty. Pluck right here because it's too thick to my liking. It needs to be natural like I said from the beginning. But pluck, do not stay in the same spot. And hot comb everything going to the back super slow.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party alone. Just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh.